Along the crowded coast of Southern California, life revolves around the ever-present sun and the ever-changing sea. But even those who can master the mighty Pacific surf have little sense of the other world that lies beyond the shining wave. This mysterious realm has its own strange forests, plains, and deserts. And the amazing variety of life here is ruled not only by heat and cold, darkness and light, but by tides, currents, and storms. These govern the seasons in the sea. Summer in a forest of seaweed. In the waning afternoon light, pilgrims glide through the amber glades of giant kelp to keep an ancient and urgent appointment. At their daytime slumber, they unfurl their 4-foot wings to join in a nuptial flight. To be reckoned with, both above and below the surface. Even 100 feet below, the surge is felt, violently stirring oxygen and nutrients into a fertile brew. As the surf spends its fury, they dry their coats in the last rays of the winter sun. The midwinter moon casts a spell, conjuring a ghostly invasion from the open sea. Propelled by bursts of seawater, the males jet after the females and grasp them in an embrace of blushing tentacles. The color dissuades her other suitors. The male then uses a special arm to deposit his sperm beneath the female's mantle. Once the transfer is complete, the female has another task to perform. She produces an egg case almost as long as her body, which she packs with more than 200 eggs. Then she searches for a sandy place to secure her precious cargo, digging down several inches to bury the small anchor that tethers the egg case. Latecomers attach their egg cases to other clusters, creating fantastic bouquets of new life. Intent upon their urgent mission, males frantically mob the remaining virgin females, occasionally flushing with success. Death stalks the frenzied swarm. Pelagic stingrays enfold the squid in their dark wings. The steady rhythm of sun, moon, and earth brings spring to these waters, awakening desire. These adolescents aren't old enough to actually produce young, but they enjoy this tender encounter, rocking gently in the ocean's embrace. are so playful, it's hard to tell whether they do things for pleasure or for more practical reasons. Only then will the bulls attempt to claim breeding territories. For now, they while away the warm spring days in gentler pursuits. These endearing clowns play a vital role in the balance between predator and prey in the kelp forest. For otters love to eat sea urchins, and sea urchins love to eat kelp. Few other denizens of the kelp forest put sea urchins on the menu. This gentle 6-foot ogre is a wolf eel with a face worthy of its prickly prey. See? The urchin spines are no protection from the wolf eel's massive jaws and grinding teeth. Safe within their amber glades. Safe, that is, as long as we protect the wilderness beneath the waves.